Sometimes it feels as if there are hundreds of reasons not to move on. We hope that by holding on, we somehow have a chance of getting back to how things once were. But in most cases, this is impossible. So instead of desperately trying to hold on, it's important for your physical and mental well-being to eventually let go of what happened and to move on with your life. Life is all about continuous growth. It isn't designed to be static and unmovable. Instead, it's dynamic and continuously confronts us with change. Whether we like it or not, change cannot be avoided. You can spend minutes, hours, days, weeks, or even months over analyzing a situation, trying to put the pieces together, justifying what could have, would have happened. Or you can just leave the pieces on the floor and move on. Life suddenly and abruptly coming to an end. No matter if it is the end of a beautiful relationship, a good friendship, or a fulfilling job, it's never easy to accept that it's gone for good. As you may know, coming to terms with what has happened and finally letting go is never easy. In fact, many of us think that holding on to the past is a sign of strength. However, quite the contrary is the case. It often takes a lot more strength to move on with your life than holding on to a past that no longer is. At the same time, desperately trying to hold on that which once was will only create one more problems. To help you with finally letting go, we have created the following quotes which encouraging you about moving on. Now we are going to start these quotes. The great courageous act that we must all do is to have the courage to step out of our history and past so that we can live our dreams. Once you realize you deserve a bright future, letting go of your dark past is the best choice you will ever make. You must make a decision that you are going to move on. It won't happen automatically. You will have to rise up and say, I don't care how hard this is. I don't care how disappointed I am. I'm getting to let this get the best of me. I'm moving on with my life. The only thing a person can ever really do is keep moving forward. Take that big leap forward without hesitation, without once looking back. Simply forget the past and forge towards the future. If you want to forget something or someone, never hate it, or never hate him or her. Everything and everyone that you hate is engraved upon your heart. If you want to let go of something, if you want to forget, you can't hate. Cry, forgive, learn, move on. Let your tears water the seeds of your future happiness. God sometimes removes a person or thing from your life for your protection. Don't run after them. You can't look back. You just have to put the past behind you and find something better in your future. Even though you may want to move forward in your life, you may have one foot on the brakes. In order to be free, we must learn how to let go. Release the hurt. Release the fear. Refuse to entertain your old pain. The energy it takes to hang on to the past is holding you back from a new life. What is it you would let go of today? Letting go does not mean that you don't care about someone or something anymore. It's just realizing that the only person you really have control over is yourself. Keeping baggage from the past will leave no room for happiness in the future. So let it be. Let go on. Accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward. If you want to fly, you have to give up what weighs you down. A very wise man once told me that you can't look back, You just have to put the past behind you and find something better in your future. Life moves on, and so should we. Thank you.